Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add the Midjourney bot in Discord. And this is very simple, and I will show you as quick as possible how you can do this. Alright, go to Google and search for Midjourney Discord. Then right here you see here the option, and please click on this option. Then from here he will send you to Discord, and then please click here on accept as Tommy Flex. That's my main account. Now, we can do getting started if you click on that, but right now if you can see we just joined here the Midjourney Discord. Now right now what we want to do is we go to the Midjourney bot right here, and you can see here that here is an option to add this bot. Now let's say add app, and then go to add server, and right now you can select the server where you want to add this bot in. So let's say we want to add this in server van Tommy Flex. Let's do continue, let's do authorize. And right now we just added the Midjourney bot in our server van Tommy Flex. So go to the server, and right now if you can see the bot is already standing just right here, right in the top. Okay guys, this was exactly how you can do this, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.